3, 2, 1, go.
Took that ball was already running.
Green plane. Go kill him, boys.
Yeah, I guess we could.
Go tear him a new one.
We're going to the Citadel?
For Charlie. Did you not for Charlie.
For Charlie Kirk. Let's go to the city for a bit.
For Hank.
So is Hank like Charlie's friend or what? Because if he's not, I'm not doing it.
They're trying to defend Hank.
No, we're trying to take him from.
Wait, so most teams are trying to take him?
Yeah. I haven't gotten PID, but he shot at me, so. They're in that Citadel.
Wait, you think you can shower on? Can grenades go over the roof?
What? I'm not sure.
Grenades go up and into the castle?
I'm not sure. I know there's small windows, but I'm not sure. But
Oh, yeah. Where that?
I got one dead right here, and that's all I got on this side. I can see.
Blue is in the castle, right?
I think so, yeah.
You want to try to get your castle?
Yeah.
You got a pistol and shit?
Nope, I got close range up. I am
You
yellow.
got PBR, point blank.
Yep.
Oh, there is somebody in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Where?
They're on the other side. This kid. I got two. One's up top. One's up top. Yep, yep.
Hey, we're all dead, by the way.
Gotta make sure of UVC.
Our downstairs is all dead, so grenades won't do anything.
Y'all dead, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got-
Downstairs is all dead.
Hit. Hit.
Hey, get your grenade. Don't want to forget them. Some loud ass grenades.
Let's see. You what?
Yep. I'm on.
I'm hit.
Here, give this to your guy.
Okay, you shot me again. That's cool, bro.
Here you
I
go.
didn't mean to. The guy behind you.
That's cool, brother.
Hey, I'm already hit. Damn.
I don't think
Medic.
Hurt. It's clear. It's clear.
That was clear, guys. Just keep shooting.
Medic.
I think I'm bleeding.
Where were you at?
I have a layer underneath, so it's not going to show until later.
Okay.
If I am bleeding, that is.
They're playing Terminator over here.
Alright, let's walk back.
Hey, white team, you guys got castle. Yeah.
You're walking towards me. Dead man out here.
Medic.
You can get a red off.
I need a medic.
Yeah, we had a medic.
I do. Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We can drag.
You got me up already.
Oh, you good? Oh, my bad, dog.
Yeah.
Are we good in there?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear. Clear.
Nice, boys.
Stars now.
It's clear.
I got shot by the guy up top.
Yeah, me too.
Bro, no, that fucking guy didn't call us his for shit. Then he double shoots me. I'm like, that's cool, bro. I might
Dude, he's
never
like, no
again.
blind fire, my dude. I literally ran in there, shooting. It's like, you got me.
I know, I tossed another frag and him just to be safe. You got two.
What we got, boys? Down.
Hey! Fire wheel! Get him!
Where is Hank? I don't know. I ain't carrying him.
Yeah, where is Hank?
I think Hank's already working his way that way. By us? Taking him? Us, I think.
Don't watch the right. Jake,
wanna flank around or
you
what?
crossing?
What can I cross with this thing?
VIP, man, you should be closer to those guys. There's spawns over there. Oh, shit. Everyone get back, goddamn. That means they're going to cross over to come get to us. Is this supposed to be by Hank?
I think there was another vehicle. But I don't know, I got scattered out. Where is he?
I think he's going down by the Citadel.
Can y'all help me get down there then? Yeah. I gotta get it, man. Shit.
Jake, we can cut back through here. Through? Down.
Y'all know where Hank is?
No, fuck no.
We're trying to find out.
Did they get him?
We're moving to the Citadel.
Are we going to try to?
Great.
Oh.
Come on.
I guess so. About a couple minutes ago, I'd seen him massing over towards Chop Shop.
Anyways, how are y'all feeling on this day of patriotism?
Are they deep back there?
Yeah.
You know where Hank is?
I want to spread out so we're not all.
Yeah, so it's not just
We're
one
gonna go on the other side then.
one spray and we're all done.
In the tree line on the right side, I see him. I didn't know they were reloading.
No idea. I'm watching this straightaway over here. Got one already. I think it's safe to run up to this next bush. Watch out. Over there. To the left, maybe.
Hit!
Keep shooting out that way.
I need another. Cowboys. You can get me?
I'm down.
Oh, you're down?
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 10. You good?
Low. I got shot. Eight, 9, 10. Thank you.
I'm pretty sure I got shot.
Fire! They're going left side, Let's go to 4 miles, go.
Oh, come on! Every time. Have a look at boys. Get down in the way. G.I. go home. Go home, G.I.
Don't need to keep doing Texas Star, man.
I want to run that thing too.
It's expensive now. It's getting carried out here. We got the whole citadel?
I think so. Looks pretty clear to us.
What you got?
They in here?
Sounds like they're.
You're good.
Yeah!
Did you get them?
No, I'm just shooting for fun. What we got?
Here comes that backward line.
Should we take that building right there, that little window?
They come from behind us, though.
Looks clear to me.
You good to cross over?
I think you're good. Ready? Yeah.
Let's go to the left!
Try to go for left side!
Still on the left!
There's one still back there. Saw him run.
Hey, we still position. There's still blue in the black car this way.
There's. I see one, but I can't get him. He's too in that damn brush. See his damn legs.
I can see him in the tree line right here, but I don't think I have the range every time to lob him.
Same. I don't think I have the power to get that man.
I see a lot of movement.
No idea.
I think I got one.
He'll probably revive, so just keep him locked down.
I got ammo.
Pat!
Got one knife.
Got one knife? I got one. I got some in my backpack.
It'll be fine. I got plenty of pistol. We just gotta hold this building, that's all.
Hold on. I'm gonna drag him, bro. Someone cover me. Get up, bro. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Thank you.
Our buddy's pushing up on him.
Yeah, I was about to start pushing.
Yeah, there's only a couple in the tree line.
Oh, yep. Dark.
I don't know what he's saying.
White.
They're probably fucking spazzing at their team to do something.
Oh no, that's a riff yelling.
Yeah, he's just counting. It sounded like he's counting down.
That's what it sounded like.
Airstrike.
They're gonna airstrike our building? Fuck. I mean, that's what I do, but...
I don't think they can if we have the projector.
with the artillery, not with your...
Hey, who's in the seatbelt?
Got a pistol for a reason. Again, we have to defend him. We don't have to, we don't care what they're doing in the trees.
Do you have another battery?
No, that's the last one.
I was surprised they didn't contest this at all while we were hearing him.
Yeah, they were.
saw like 2 guys, and we dropped down, took a knee to take a breather, and then when we popped up, they were gone.
Yeah.
Like,
They were trying to get it. I don't think they knew we had it.
Is that white back there?
Yeah, it's all friendly right here.
Okay.
I don't know who's in the Citadel though.
That's Blue. Blue's place.
Okay.
We don't care what they're doing at the Citadel. The point is over here.
Alright.
Yeah. That maniacal laughing sounded like someone with the Kentucky Long. This is the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just have to defend him.
How much longer do you know?
Until they say we're won.
They've obviously won.
Yeah. Yeah. No, this was Fort Mott was our objective. Huh? Where? Where? Oh, him?
Me? Have they like pushed at all?
No. I mean, they tried.
They tried.
But
Yeah, they just good though. Are they not trying a different way or no? You think they're trying to like play?
it's the Russian method.
The Russian method?
Yeah, you rush at them.
More method.
Yeah. They'll run out of ammo eventually. No, we will run out of ammo.
That was crazy. Man, that's so scary. You hear the fucking board? 50 of them. Ah, shit, I lost my can.
What?
Yeah.
They have it over here.
They're trying to trick you. It's a trap.
That's working. Thank you, kind sir. We're gonna go hunt.
This
trap feels like a break, I tell you. It's boring.
Happy hunting.
I mean, they could totally shoot me through that window. Hey guys, I think he needs a stem. I agree with that statement.
I would probably do the same thing.
Oh. Why? It's Halo. What is the Halo? I'm right
He's
here.
right behind you.
Yeah, I'm right here, man. I'm the Halo guy. And we're even wearing a Marine helmet. Listen,
Are you John Military?
you should look at my okay, I guess I'm not that distracted.
Bro, you just okay.
Yeah, they're right there.
You're
To the prison?
We going back to the city, Brendan?
Yep.
We got him, man.
Have you got anybody with it yet? I almost got started, but I missed my inch. But I almost blasted it point blank, but he got me first. So anyway, come here. You know, some guy was telling me about how there's all Hispanic rentals here. Spoke Hispanic and they were what the hell's Hank doing here? I teabagged him. What the hell got him here?
Hello.
You carried him here?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, bro.
God damn it, Bobby.
He's been here almost the whole game.
Holy shit.
Good.
I don't even know what the fuck we did. We crept all the way up around, ended
Where's
up
the
at their
fucking
spawn.
propane?
No, we
came
ran
back
straight
around
out
this
and
way.
picked him up and ran straight here.
Holy shit. Good job, bro. I know that thing's heavy as hell, bro.
Yeah, they didn't contest this very much, so we just kept going.
What do you want to do, Randall? Want to go check out these cars or what?
Apparently they just kicked the whole
Yeah,
team over
they
here.
tried to push through those woods, but
We're about to have a
Position over here on Citadel.
Come and get us, you dirty blues!
is this on?
Did you ever believe you'd find a day where you saw someone carrying this?
Probably not. I think
I don't think they know what they're doing.
Boy, Hank in the woods.
That might be what they're doing.
You know, do you ever think that there would one day be someone who would be carrying a musket with them to the field?
Yeah. I've seen a lot of things.
But when have you ever seen someone carrying an actual muzzle loader? When? When?
Not in this decade.
The kid was trying to tell me how it's not 1700. So when he comes here, I'm gonna blast him. I'm gonna blow a golf ball sized hole in him.
Damn, this is no contest right here.
Are we sure that any players didn't walk back up?
Do we want to talk about our life issues while we wait?
Are we sure the game didn't end and we're just sitting here just firing randomly?
No.
I kind of want to shoot one of y'all.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, I won't. I like y'all.
I'd actually try it now.
No, that's white shooting.
Hey, that's a nice gawk you got there. Your gawk. Yeah, your gawk. What, did you think I said cock? Gawk, 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 gawk. I know, I'm slightly deranged in the head. I'm sorry. Hello? Man, this is fall.
Might as well just text the girls while waiting on the enemy.
Talk stuff. This is great. If I just went hunting.
They don't know we're out of ammo.
You're out of ammo? Oh my.
I haven't seen enough of them to want even shooting at them. I'm on my
40 round.
I don't know, I'm just waiting for them to just get lit up out of nowhere.
Yeah, that'd be interesting at least. At this point, for them to have a comeback, the game's gonna have to take twice as long as this.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I mean.
2 minutes.
Alright. 15:25 is their deadline.
They're going around. They're going around. I see a bunch of them running.
Which way? This way?
That way, that way, that way. I just saw like a...
People on this line. I'm just keeping an eye on Hank, bro.
That's your job.
That's our plan, to draw us all away and come and steal them.
Yeah, I mean, that's my job. Good Hank.
Oh yeah, they're all over our team. Huh?
Well, yeah, they're fucking going on.
They're hunting.
It's like the Russians to Germany, bro.
Bro, we should just all hide and wait for them to come in.
That's basically what I'm doing. I just said, you know, like, I'm good.
Yeah, that's it. Do we have to carry Hank all the way back?
I guess so.
Nah, he can sleep here.
Yeah, I didn't carry him here, so I can carry him back.
I carried it here, but I'll carry it back.
You want to swap? You took it all the way. I'll do it.
Hank needs to hit the gym. Cylinder window. Window on the blue too.
Hey.
How do we riz?
I'm just gonna tap the van.
All right, cool.
Beep beep.
Works for me.
Oh, you got guys in there.
Oh, got white in there. White's in there.
Yeah.
Good. Let's go. Yeah, push. Come on. Go out. Hit.
Right in the
Same guy who shot you. I did the exact same thing.
guy hiding like right behind a van.
Yeah. I'm thinking, oh no way, he might duck for cover. Nope, still standing there. Fence left.
Gotcha.
Hit! This would be a lot easier for a grenade launcher.
Right.
Have you seen the company Stingray? They make these airsoft mortars.
Yeah.
I'm about to buy a bunch of those and just sit back here and mortar them.
That'd be fun.
They got good range too.
I'm pretty sure the guy that shot us, he definitely just stuck his hand out and bleh, bleh, bleh.
Yeah,
Some guy just full out of me indoors.
no surprise.
Not the cook, sure.
Sure.
There's a guy right here. Right there. In the window.
Good shit, guys. Good shit. Hey, good job. Good job, blue guys.
Got contact my side. Hit.
Four, three, two, one.
Totally didn't have the safety on. I got to shoot.
You could. If you run fast enough, you can get to that first pallet.
Who's going first?
Fuck it, I'll go.
Attaboy.
I'm going.
Oh. Made it.
I did too. Get him up behind his belt. Hit. There ain't no way I hit that. Didn't hit them.
You still in that tower? Yeah. Okay, cover me.
Not gonna like that.
Hey, the fucking way, what the fuck?
Hit! Good one. Get better, get better, get Hey, fuck! I got that shot! What are you looking at? White in here, white in here. Hit! Oh, damn! Well, I hope you enjoyed this three-part Coco series of my first time being at D14. I'll be back at D14 throughout the year. My next video is an indoor one. I can't remember its name, but you see it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Stay the Airsofter. And subscribe. Did I say subscribe? I think I did. But this is Stay the Airsofter. Signing out for one final time for today.